So guys, I purchased the Noctua NF-S12A PWM fan. It's got a RPM range of 900 to 1200 and it's got the new AAO, which is the Advanced Acoustic Optimization frame. And it's got these little fins that push extra air through the fan, but also it allows for less turbulence, so it will run quiet. Guys, I'm just going to let the video run. You'll see the build process, and I literally had to remove all the components just to install the rear fan. These mini ITX builds are no joke. So enjoy the video, guys, and I will do a separate video of the internals as well. This is just the externals of the case. Thank you.